Excuse me. That's the stamp on the year in which this bridge was made. Earlier, I mentioned this was the money shot. The sun was not out earlier. Now it is. What do you think? Does the sun glistening on the water make a difference? This is a number of shots that some of the news stations use as they roll into their broadcasts. Again, it's hard to imagine. Miami was a sleepy little town, I'm gonna say 20, 30 years ago. Okay. Key Biscayne. And I'm gonna roll back to this view. The money shot. You can see the boats leaving. That's a video within itself. That's the plane coming from Miami Airport. We just went to Brickell Key. Excuse me, not Brickell Key, Brickell City Center. That was the trolley that we just passed. Brickell City Center started as a mixed use facility, commercial, residential, and business. Brickell Key initially started at only residential. It does not have much commercial, but it's building its commercial only, I shouldn't say only, but to support many of the residents there and to make it again a walking community. Okay, sometimes you can't get tired of this view. Where I'm going to be going soon, it's going to be right there. It's going to be Rusty Pelican. You see the boats are starting to get out. And let me see if my GoPro commands are getting better. GoPro stop capture.